Okay guys, I got a quick go-kart update on the brakes. I got this plate welded on here, and I welded the caliper bracket to that. I mounted my caliper finally. It's a floating caliper, so it moves just a little bit. And I got my disc mounted. See, there's that plate from the back. I need to trim it off some. Ran my wire all the way down there, to here, which it actually just came loose a bit, so I'm gonna need to tighten that some. And I drilled a hole. In there and put a wire stop, so it won't pull my wire through. I don't have my throttle hooked up yet, but and as you can see, I don't have a floor yet, but I cut out the floor. I'm making it out of this, so lighter weight than a big thick piece of metal. I'm gonna try getting that welded on today. Still need a new tire. I need to paint the mounts. See, here's the mounts I made for my pedals. I need to paint them so they don't rust anymore. Like I said, I need to tighten that. I need to get a new clutch. My clutch is done. And I think that's about it. See, I'll give you a shot of the caliper and stuff again. There's the caliper. Right down there. I got my wire stop right there. And it only needs to move about that much to get braking. Right here, I did have a zip tie at first, but it kept breaking my zip tie when I pushed on the brake, so I put a hose clamp. That worked out good. And I'll try giving you a little shot of it working. Hold on. Start it up here. As you can see, the clutch pulls a bit. Okay guys, just a little run of it, and like I said, I need to tighten up the wire, get my floor welded in, and that's about it. Oh, and get my throttle cable hooked up, which I got my throttle linkage kit hooked up on there. You can't really see it. Get my body all fixed and painted. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.